Hi guys, welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. I've noticed there's a guy who does videos, sometimes daily. He's got quite a lot of fans, a lot of subscribers. He does a sportsy kind of thing. Anyway, I thought I'd try that out in this channel, see if I can get some more fans. So, it's time to work out those drawing muscles. See you at the table. Hey guys, so for a fun drawing exercise, I've come across this app. Well, it's a website really, where you can get random writing prompts. I think we can use them for drawing. So I'm going to go ahead with the first one with the writing prompts. Okay, that's the one that started up there. It's morning sunrise. That sounds wonderful, but maybe a little bit boring. Let's try again. Closed doors. Okay, let's try closed doors. Okay, why would some closed doors be an issue? Let's try. There's a very quick sketch of where everything's going to be. Okay. Okay, there's see if we can guess this. Guess what that is? That's right, penguin. Good. Alright, it's not a penguin. No, it's not a tiger. It's an elephant, yeah. Don't know why, it's just the first thing that came to mind. What decided my elephant's going to be? It's a good creativity exercise, gets your brain going. Hopefully you can see what the situation is here. Here's an elephant. He looks like this. It's two toilet doors, silhouettes. One with a human man, human lady, so he's not sure where to go. That's the little situation. Okay, that was closed doors. Let's try another one. Okay. Dragon breath. Fantastic. Okay, we can take it literally, an actual dragon with its breath. Yeah, let's do that. We haven't done a dragon before in here, have we? Why he looks so sad? It's because he's breathed. And he's breathed? He's breathed? Oh no, this poor mouse has passed out because of it. Bit silly. You could probably do better than that one than I did. Let's try one more quickly. Eavesdropper. Someone listening in. I'm going to skip that one. Animal Crossing. Well, we know what that is, but let's take that a bit more literally as well. Whoop. Do need some new pens, don't I? And let's have car waiting. The cars are always horrible to draw. Really difficult. You're probably much better than me at cars. I don't like cars. There we go. So there's a car waiting there. Why is it waiting there? Because... yeah, you got it. You got there before me, didn't you? There's a snail crossing, and everyone's going to be waiting a very long time. Good. Anyway, random words from writing prompts. Give that a go. Just Google writing prompts or drawing prompts. Let your imagination go.